Hello, this is Wilson. I'm from Taiwan, Google company, and we are 43 years old company, and we are doing this technology. This is from ISE show, and we are making this external uh, eGPU, external GPU. So this is combined with our docking station, and with this GPU docking station, then you can see from this it has increased our normal laptop to the very powerful, very powerful docking, very powerful laptop, even faster than the gaming laptop. So within our product, then it can be shows very high quality. It's 140 FPS speed. So with this new technology, the graphic card can be very great for your company to use.